Hello Year 3 and welcome to your maths tutorial for this week. This week our topic is going to be covering how to multiply a two-digit number by a one-digit number. Now, when I say a two-digit number, that's two numerals which are used to form the number. For instance, the numeral 2 is used to show us that we've got two tens within this number, and the numeral 1 shows us that we've got one in this number. The reason that we're going to be learning how to multiply a two-digit number by a one-digit number is so that we can do that quickly and efficiently. Because in maths, what we want to do is make the steps to solving problems really, really quick and simple. It makes it easier for us. The first process when multiplying a two-digit number by a one-digit number is to partition that number. I've got the number 21 and I want to partition it into its tens and into its ones. The numeral 2 shows us that it's two tens, and that would equate to the number 20. If I partition this along this side in my ones column, my 1 is very, very simple. It's 1. Okay, so 21 is made of 20 and 1. If I want to multiply 21 by 3, I'd write my calculation like this. Here I've got 21 multiplied by 3. Now in class we know that we can multiply by adding up 21 3 times. But what we're going to do today, we're going to learn to multiply this efficiently. If I know that 21 is made up of 20 and 1, I can multiply it by 3 as well. So 21 is made up of 20, so I can do 20 multiplied by 3 equals, and I can look at my ones. I can think of, right, my ones are 1 times 3 equals. Now what I want you to do at home, see if you can answer these two questions. So pause the video here, see if you can answer them, and then we'll go through it together. Okay, how did you get on? Could you answer these two multiplications? Let's do this one together. 1 times 3. 1 times 3 is 3. I hope you got that one right. The next one, slightly more challenging. 20 times 3. Now I know that when I multiply or times a number, I'm adding the same number on a certain amount of times. I'm going to add 20 on 3 times. 20, 40, 60. The final step is to add these two numbers up. 60 and 3 equals 63. 21 multiplied by 3 equals 63. Now I'm going to write up a few examples for you to have a go at home. Remember, partition the number into tens and ones, then multiply the tens by the amount and multiply the ones by the same amount. Then you add up your two totals. Have a go with these ones. So, pause the video, have a go at these two examples here, and then we'll go through it together. How did you get on? Could you partition your numbers and then could you multiply them as well? Let's have a look at this example here. 32 multiplied by 2. If I partition 32, I can see in the tens column I've got the numeral 3, and in the ones column I've got the numeral 2. Let's have a look. 2 times 2 equals, and then 30 times 2 equals. 2 times 2 equals 4. 30 times 2 equals 60. If I add these two together, 60 and 4 equals 64. The next question, 41 multiplied by 2. I know 1 times 2 equals 2, and remember as we partitioned it, I've got 40 times 2 equals 40, and 40 equals 80. 80 and 2 equals 82. Brilliant stuff, guys. Keep up the really hard work, and be prepared for another video later on this week. Thanks.